Every 4 years, something comes around that has the power to turn the ridiculous into the sublime, where joy and pain coexist and billions become a national team coach. Every 4 years, even the biggest cities are brought to a standstill. And the smallest village can be heard for miles around. It doesn't matter if it's your first or your 21st. Every 4 years, we all share the same belief. We learn that football is not just a sport, it's a movement. Where every shot, every tackle, every second gives us a belief that we are all capable of great things. Inspiration. It's in all of us.
Kia, movement that inspires.